I myself didn't have mystical experiences. I didn't try. I didn't use Abulafia's techniques, and for sure there's a certain price. But there's a price to use them. Because when you use them, you believe that your experience is his experience. And that's also a price. You know, we're living in different millennia almost, different cultures. And what I would experience using his technique is maybe dramatically different. So if you use it, you can make as great a mistake as not use it.
You feel like it would have compromised your own honesty and integrity as a scholar if you would have experienced it for yourself? Is that what you're saying?
I must say that I am not afraid of... I simply... what is interesting for me is curiosity, and not so much to have the experience of...
Your curiosity doesn't extend to the experience as well?
Meaning, would I have, out of the blue, without making any effort and without having any academic commitment, it will be something, if it happens, it doesn't depend on me.
Right.
But I didn't initiate anything.
Right. There are some easy ways to get there. Things like psychedelics. There are some easy ways to bring on what people would consider mystical experiences.
I didn't try by myself, but two friends of mine, I would like to scholars, to mention names. When I was once in California, once in the east side, they gave me some drugs, I don't know even what. I didn't feel anything, I must say.
Maybe you're immune to mysticism because you've read it too much.
I am or not, but I didn't initiate it. But two good friends who are professors in universities in the United States, I must say I didn't feel anything at all. Meaning not something vague, anything.
Next time you have to increase the dose.
Yeah.
You have to increase the dose.
Yes, but they didn't offer to increase the dose.
Right.